Welcome back, my fans. Today we are going to learn about the natural nature of everything you can see. Look at this. See everything in nature? Okay, I'm just gonna hold it. Look. You see my... Oh, I feel sticky in between. Yes! Look at everything in nature. Oh, that's it. Look at that. Look. There, look what it says. You can't actually read it that well because it might be hard to read. So, I gotta be super careful. It might hurt me. So I don't want to bring my mom's phone. There's the wood. Wood's made out of these trees. Okay, you see that branch? That branch is a little broken. And I need to show you that nature tree. That nature one that I always liked it in the 50s. Look at this. Wait, I should see a quick look. Look at this. Bands move. Ah! Sorry. Okay, look. Wait, I need to put on the float screen. Look. This is like your only chance to look at the sky. Look at that beautiful sky. This one's clear. Look at that sky. That was the only chance when you just got to see the sky. So do you like the sky, guys? Leave me in the comments. Now time to look on the ground. Ooh, 2 strangers go walking, just like vows. Plus 1 equals 3 strangers. That's pretty epic, this story. I'm not gonna talk this once. So, I just did that for no reason. So watch this. I'm just gonna turn the sky close, and boom! Ha! You can't see anymore. You can also see these things from there. Look at my mom's room. So messy, but don't mind.